What if we told you that every cell in your body carries a microscopic instruction manual? That's DNA, short for deoxyribonucleic acid. It's the molecule that stores all the information needed to build and maintain you. Found in the nucleus of almost every cell, DNA is the reason you have your mom's eyes or your dad's dimples. But how does it actually work? Let's start with its structure. DNA looks like a twisted ladder known as a double helix. The sides of the ladder are made of sugar and phosphate molecules, while the rungs are pairs of nitrogen bases. Adenine pairs with thymine, and cytosine pairs with guanine. This specific pairing is crucial. It's how DNA copies itself accurately. The sequence of these bases forms the genetic code, which is like a language your body reads to function properly. So, what does DNA actually do? It holds the instructions for making proteins, molecules that do most of the work in your body. From building muscles to digesting food, proteins are essential. DNA sequences, called genes, tell your cells which proteins to make and when. Think of genes as recipes in a cookbook. Depending on which genes are active, your body can produce thousands of different proteins. But DNA doesn't work alone. It needs a messenger, RNA. When a gene is activated, the DNA is transcribed into messenger RNA, mRNA, which then travels out of the nucleus to a ribosome. There, it's translated into a protein. This process is called gene expression. It's like copying a recipe from a book and handing it to a chef. The chef, ribosome, then cooks up the protein. Each person's DNA is about 99.9% identical to everyone else's. That tiny 0.1% difference is what makes you unique. Your height, your hair color, even your risk for certain diseases. These variations are called genetic polymorphisms. Some are harmless, while others can influence how your body reacts to medications or how likely you are to develop certain conditions. It's a microscopic difference with massive implications. DNA is incredibly compact. If you stretched out all the DNA in one human cell, it would be about 2 meters long, yet it fits inside a nucleus that's only a few micrometers wide. How? It's tightly coiled around proteins called histones, forming structures called chromatin. During cell division, this chromatin condenses into chromosomes. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, 46 in total, half from each parent. Understanding DNA isn't just for scientists. It's the foundation of modern medicine, forensics, ancestry testing, and even agriculture. From solving crimes to editing genes with CRISPR, DNA knowledge is shaping our future. And it all starts with that elegant double helix. So next time you look in the mirror, remember, you're looking at the result of billions of letters, perfectly arranged in your DNA.